Hello, this is Peter from allinclusivecaribbeancruises.net and petestravel.com. Welcome. Today I want to talk to you a little about Caribbean cruises to Cozumel, Mexico. Cozumel is becoming quite a popular cruise port of call in the Caribbean. Of course, Cozumel is famous for other things. Many tourists visit that area annually because it's a great place for diving, snorkeling, scuba diving, snorkeling, and other things like that. And so many tourists and people who are into water sports visit Cozumel. But Cozumel is also a popular destination for Caribbean cruises. It's actually one of two places that Caribbean cruises will visit in Mexico. There is Cozumel, of course, and then there's Costa Maya. Now, the great thing about Cozumel is that when your ship gets there, it is able to pull right into a pier. There are actually three piers in Cozumel. But when your ship gets there, it's actually able to pull right into the pier. There are other ports of call in the Caribbean that are not like that. They're considered tender piers or tender ports, meaning that the ship has to stop some distance away from the shore, and then you have to get in a small boat. When I say small, relatively speaking, it's a good enough size, and there are several of them that go back and forth during the day while you're there. But Cozumel is not like that. You're able to get off the ship, get right onto the pier, and then you pass through several vendors that are selling their wares in Mexico or in Cozumel. You can stop and buy, or you can, go on through, take a look, go on through, because you will see other things for sale. And of course, they will cost less than if you were to buy them at the pier. So Cozumel is very popular because there's several things you can do there. In addition to, of course, experiencing genuine Mexican cuisine, getting Mexican wares, you can enjoy the beaches in Cozumel, very beautiful beaches. We've been there now on 3 or 4 different cruises, and had a chance to visit a couple of the beaches, and really had a good time. Beautiful, clean beaches. In addition to that, a lot of people go there because they want to scuba dive. So you can go scuba diving, or you can participate in any other kind of water activity, jet skiing, parasailing, stuff like that. You can do. You can take a tour of the island. Last time we were there, which was just a year ago, 2012, we actually took a tour around the island. It's not it's not a big island, of course, not a big island. We're able to go away from the town itself and to see how the locals live and so on, and then to pass through quite a bit of wooded area. In Cozumel, you have a chance to visit Mayan ruins, which is pretty cool. So that's also a plus. So if you're thinking if you want a nice place to visit, then think Cozumel. Cozumel, if you want to visit Cozumel, you will need to look for what is called a Western Caribbean cruise. You will generally find those leaving out of several ports, actually. Port Canaveral, Miami, Tampa, and then there's New Orleans and Galveston. You have cruises that are leaving from any of those ports, and that will include a stop in Cozumel. Generally, a cruise to Cozumel will also include a stop maybe in the Bahamas, or it could be a stop at another Caribbean island, such as Grand Cayman or Jamaica. So it depends, but you will be able to find maybe a 4-day cruise or a 5-day cruise that will include a stop in Cozumel. The good thing is that it's so popular, like I said before, that many of the big the top cruise lines that sail the Caribbean actually have several itineraries that include stops in Cozumel. So it will not be hard for you to find a cruise that goes to Cozumel, and I promise you that you will enjoy your visit there. So that's it in a nutshell. There's so much more that can be said about cruising to Cozumel, but of course you can get the information from your travel agent or search the internet. Visit our site. We have a page, a web page dedicated to Cozumel, so you can also check that out. That's allinclusivecaribbeancruises.net. But there's so much more you can find out about cruising to that particular Mexican island. This is Peter saying, go have fun, and I hope to see you on the high seas. Bye.